Module 9, Small Daily Steps Toward Big Results. The 7-Minute Life was founded as a time management company. It all began with the daily progress report of creating a daily written plan of action to give structure and a framework to your day. Why 7 minutes? There are 24 hours in a day. That breaks down into 1,440 minutes. Learning to leverage 1% of your day, 14 minutes. By taking 7 minutes in the morning and 7 minutes in the evening to think, clarify, plan, prioritize, and choose what you will let into your life are the key philosophies of the 7-Minute Life. These two tools, the Daily Progress Report and the 15-Minute Increment Worksheet, will be your daily guide. We have not had time to cover this 15-minute increment worksheet in this short course, but you'll have plenty of time to see the power of how all these tools work together. As we begin to wrap up, why is 7 minutes so important? Because those 7 minutes that you're thinking, they begin to become the filter around what you will choose to let into your life. By creating a stronger filter and choosing what you let into your life, you have a much better opportunity of letting the right things in. Be sure to download these filtering questions and find out if you are focusing on the most important things, because every action you let into your life is automatically knocking something else out.